Hey everyone, I hope you all are safe and doing good. Let me tell you a hard truth. In 2026, it's not the smartest students who will win. It's the ones who knows what questions to ask. Yes, you heard it right. We know it's AI era. There are so many AI tools available freely. You can ask anything and you will get answer. But the problem is most students use these AI or these AI tools like Google, like searching, like they're searching on Google. But smart students, top students, use it like a personal mentor. Everyone has access to ChatGPT or any other AI tool. Same tool, same interest, same questions also you can ask, same time, but yet the results are different. Why? Because success today does not depend on how much you study. It depends on how clearly you guide your learning. Yes, you heard it right. So ask questions properly and you will get answer of anything. You can learn anything in 2026 or in this era with the help of these AI or this AI tool. AI will give you the complete roadmap kind of thing. So you don't have to search for any videos or you don't have to ask to anyone. You don't have to wait for these roadmap videos. You can quickly ask to these AI tools the roadmap and they'll give you exactly like, I mean, the best roadmap. But the question is how to ask. What should be the prompt? So I'll tell you three AI prompts. With those prompts, you can learn anything. Let me show you. Okay, so this is prompt one. You can write down this thing like, I want to learn whatever skill you want to learn from absolute zero in 2026. Assume I'm a beginner with no background. I don't know anything. Create a step by step roadmap that takes me from basic to job ready level. Break it into phases as well, like basic, foundation, intermediate, advanced, and real world use. For each phase, tell me what to learn, why it matters, how much time to spend, common mistakes beginners make, and what I should be able to build or do after that phase. Second is, I want to master whatever skill you want to master in the time limit. This is second version of the prompt. In whatever month, like 6, 7, or 10 months you have, while managing my studies and work. Because many students have to manage their own college studies also with extra learning. So you can write down this thing. Create a realistic daily and weekly study plan for me. Assume I can study, I mean, whatever hours you can devote, 2 hours, 3 hours, 5 hours a day. Include what to do daily, what to revise, revision is important, when to practice, how to test myself, how to avoid burnout. That's important. Design it like a coach would design a training schedule. So that is second prompt. Okay, now third one is like you have to learn, suppose you want to learn like a professional, not as a student. You are not a beginner, you know something. Okay, so that is for those. Teach me this skill the way a top professional use it in real life. Show me how beginners usually learn it and where they waste time. How expert think about it. Real world projects I should build. Skills that actually matters versus things I can skip. Have to measure if I am truly improving. So explain this with simple examples and analogies. That's the third prompt. So you can use these three prompts to learn anything to, you can say, get a roadmap of anything, any skill you want to learn. Just remember one thing, learning in 2026 is not about watching endless videos, jumping between resources, or collecting certificates. It's about clear roadmap, daily execution means consistency, and real world applications. So stop asking random questions, stop learning without direction. If you can ask right questions, means you don't just learn faster, you learn smarter than 90% of the students. So 2026 belongs to those students who think clearly, not to those who work blindly. Okay, please take care of this thing. And if you are preparing for placements and you want to learn Java, DSA, or generative AI, you can check out my courses on my website, jennyslectures.com. So I have basically three courses, DSA with Java, new batch we have started, plus Java from scratch and generative AI. Plus the thing is, New Year offer is going on. So the coupon code is New Year. Use this coupon code and you will get extra 30% off on all the courses. But use it before it expires. And you will get like in this Java and DSA with Java course, live session also, live doubt resolution session every week. So if you have doubt, you can ask me, and you will get access to a dedicated WhatsApp group as well. Plus, you will be given my handwritten notes. You can download those notes. Okay. So if you are interested, you can go and check out on my website jennyslexus.com. The link and everything you will get in the description box of this video. Go and check out. I hope this video will help you. So I guess that's it for today. Now I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.